The owl's night vision debunking myths. Ever wondered why owls are masters of the night but seem clumsy in daylight? Let's explore the fascinating science behind their incredible night vision and dispel some common misconceptions. Owls don't actually have eyeballs. Their eyes are more like tubes, fixed in their sockets. This gives them exceptional stability and allows for larger pupils, gathering more light. Their retinas are packed with rod cells, which are highly sensitive to light. This adaptation allows them to see incredibly well in low-light conditions, far better than humans. It's a myth that owls are completely blind during the day. They can see, but their vision isn't as sharp as it is at night. The abundance of light overwhelms their light-sensitive eyes. Think of it like this: stepping from a dark room into bright sunlight. It takes a moment for your eyes to adjust. Owls experience a similar but more pronounced effect. Their exceptional night vision gives owls a significant advantage in hunting nocturnal prey. They can spot even the smallest movements in the dark, making them apex predators of the night. This adaptation has allowed them to thrive in environments where other predators struggle, carving out a unique niche in the ecosystem. Fascinated by owls? Subscribe to our channel for more amazing nature facts. Share this video with your friends and family to spread awareness about these incredible creatures. Consider supporting owl conservation efforts in your area to help protect their habitats.